Hello my fighters, welcome back to Sheen's Positive Plate. So today I'm here with a quick plant tip for all the plant lovers out there just like me. You might be observing a white color insect that comes and attack our plants, especially the flowering ones, and they just destroy the whole plant. Yeah, so I'll give you a quick tip for that. Now for that you just take a spray bottle, okay? And then anything will do just to spray to the plants. So first you have to take 5 to 6 pumps of any hand wash that you are using and 1 cap of any disinfectant liquid like Dettol or Savlon, and then fill it up with water, mix well so that all 3 ingredients mixes well, and then spray to the plants. And make sure you spray it in the evening time after the sun goes down. Okay, you will get tremendous results and the plants will regrow and they'll have so many flowers. Okay, so make sure you try it and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. So till we meet again, spread only good vibes. Signing off.